Apple just released a software update to reduce the heat that the media was throwing at their MacBook Pros, pun intended. Sony keeps making headlines with a new benchmark for the Xperia XZ3 sporting their new sensor, and sadly, you will have to wait for that LCD iPhone, but it seems that you will be getting better colors. I'm Jaime Rivera, and definitely thank you so much for all your support in the Spanish channel. Just a reminder to subscribe, we have more videos coming up. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals if you want to get yourself an LG G7 ThinQ, which is actually one of the great smartphones of this year. It's currently on sale at B&H, $630 retail. The sale is oddly limited to certain states like New York and New Jersey, I believe. If you want to get it on Amazon, for example, you get it for $650 and it ships worldwide. You can learn more in the description. Now let's talk about the Honor View 10. We hear that we might be getting this phone for IFA or probably earlier. And probably the most interesting part is that even though the company launched the Honor 10 with a notch, apparently this one is going to have the 6.96-inch display of no notch interruptions. And that's cool. Apparently it's going to be an OLED. And then the battery is apparently also going to be 4,900 milliamp hours. And before I say apparently again, yeah, let's see what we get. Now let's talk about the iPhone with the LCD display. Let's just dub it the iPhone 9. We've got trusted sources, including Ming-Chi Kuo, claiming that we might see this phone in October. Now it doesn't seem that we're gonna have to wait until November, which was the previous rumor. It seems that the company is dealing with some issues with the brightness of the display, which is expected. I don't think that this delay is anything but intentional. I could be wrong. Interesting enough, we also hear of two new color options, being yellow and taupe. I hope I pronounced that right. Taupe. Like, I actually had to Google the word, but yeah, it's like a fancier way to say khaki. We'll see what we get. Now, let's move the spotlight over to Sony. The company made headlines with their 48 megapixel camera sensor, but the company is not famous for launching the best of their technology in their flagship smartphones. There are some benchmarks of the Xperia XZ3 which might either launch at IFA or next year at CES. I'm thinking more CES next year. And we hear that the major headline is that it'll only have one camera. It'll be a 47 megapixel wide angle, which is weird because the sensor they launched was 48 megapixels. We'll see what we get in the end. CES is just around the corner. And finally, the hot news today, pun intended, have to do with the new Core i9 MacBook Pros. We saw so many videos showing how the company was throttling the computers. Now we've got a software update for those of you that have the new computers. You can download it now, where it seems the company figured out what was causing the throttling. They've sent a software update and they are also apologizing. And for those of you that are skeptical over the update, there are already videos out there that have tested the new update, and it seems that there is no more throttling. That's all great. In today's question, let us know, what do you think? Do you think that it's understandable for Apple to sell a computer so expensive and make mistakes like this? Because, you know, for me, it's like, oh my God, you had the computer for so long, you tested it for how long and didn't notice the issues? But that's just me. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. You can follow us on social media and follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.